Hey YouTube, what is going on? Brandon here with another printer video. Today we've got the Canon MX-860. Basically, if you're having any print quality issues, certain colors in printing, or just overall print quality issues, this is a method that you can go ahead and use to clean out the print head and get your quality back up to where it needs to be. So the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go ahead and lift this up. Now you're going to want to get it into the middle here. You're going to want to get the print head in the middle here, and you could do that going through the options, or if you're running low on ink, or you go to replace ink cartridges in your settings, and that will allow you to get this in the middle here. Now if you are running low on ink, this is not the ink that belongs to this printer, and that's why the print head is actually having this low quality issue, is that when your ink runs out, it dries up in there and it causes problems. So I'm going to leave a link right now in the description below for some ink specifically for this printer. Make this project contingent on you getting that ink. Once you have that ink, you can go ahead and do this, and it'll be an easy process for you. So once you've got the ink out, then you're going to go ahead and flip this latch up, and you're going to take out the print head really easily. And as you can see, it's kind of dirty down there, and I've seen worse, but that's still pretty dirty. All right. So you're going to want to have it right here. You're going to want to have a container just like this. Very inexpensive. You can go to the dollar store and get it. And you're going to want to have a print head cleaning solution kit. It's going to come with the solution and this syringe here. So I'm going to leave a link in the description below for that as well. So once you have your solution in the syringe, you're going to go ahead and place it right over this nozzle. Now with the kit, this is a generic one. With the kit, you're going to have little fitments that go over these nozzles. But if not, you can just go ahead and do it just like this and kind of just push through each color. Now if you're just having issues with one color, you focus on that one color. Like let's say it's yellow, I would focus on this and push all the solution through there. But in this case, it's a general issue. Now I've ran out. Go ahead and fill it back up, and you can do this 2-3 times on each nozzle, and the more you do it the better, because it's going to clean it out and it's not going to damage anything. That's why it's this proper solution that you're using there. Okay, just like that. And then you've got one on the end here. So as you can see there, I don't know if you can see that, but there was a lot of blue that just came out, and it's very noticeable. So that was all clogged up in there. Over time it gets clogged in there, but you really want to get it flowing so that it's back up to normal. So usually I hit black the most, because that's the one that has the most issues in general, and you can see all that black ink that just came out. So that's really all there is to it. Again, I highly recommend anyone do this. Make sure you go in the description below, because you're going to have a lot of different resources. I will also leave a link to this Canon MX-860 and some other similar ones that use the same ink, just in case for whatever reason this doesn't work for you, and you kind of have an error code at this point. Maybe you clicked on this and you have an error code. You can go ahead, go in the description below, and you're also going to have some options to buy some used versions of these, because if you have a lot of this ink laying around, let's say, or for whatever reason you want to use the same printer, you can buy a used version on Amazon.com. So that's really all there is to it. This is really simple. Again, I'll say this again, I highly recommend anyone, any age, as long as it's 18 and up, doing this and going ahead and fixing this problem, which is, it's a very simple issue to fix. So make sure to like this video. Also make sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and until next time.